There is an average of 500,000 ladder-related injuries each year. Of those, 1 in 10 result in hospitalization. 300 prove fatal. But there is a simple way to protect yourself from an accident. The patent-pending Ladder Latch Pro makes working on ladders simple, secure, and stable. Ladder Latch Pro clamps to the roof's edge, preventing the ladder from sliding or falling, creating a stable base to work from. With the adjustable steel wedge, rotatable hook, and lateral stability strap, Ladder Latch Pro will maintain a secure hold when accidentally bumped or kicked, even at extreme heights. Ladder Latch Pro can be operated with one hand, allowing for 3 points of contact with the ladder, as outlined by the Occupational Health and Safety Administration guidelines. Ladder Latch Pro works on all extension ladders and can be attached to either side. It works with any type of gutter, with or without gutter protection. Ladder Latch Pro doesn't damage gutters because of the padded surface of the gripper bar, which evenly distributes pressure along the top edge of the gutter. Ladder Latch Pro isn't just easy to connect, but also simple to remove with its quick-release lever. The Ladder Latch Pro's compact design and light weight, at only 1.5 pounds, makes carrying and using it effortless. It quickly and safely locks any ladder at the roof's edge, keeping you out of harm's way. Designed for use on buildings with gutters, fits all extension ladders, does not damage gutters, and works with gutter guards. Perfect for DIY, homeowners, professionals, contractors, and more. The patent-pending Ladder Latch Pro. Simple, secure, stable.